Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group, and today is Monday, August 19, 2024. So we take a look at the week ahead. And this week, we start the cycle of second quarter earnings from the big retailers, for all retailers. But the reason is that July 31 is their end of their second quarter typically, as they are on a year that ends January 31, so they can include Christmas and holiday sales in the year. And so it's July 31. So we're going to start with the retailers this week. Target, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, Lowe's, Ross stores are some of the ones I've seen on the calendar for this week. Also, the Democratic National Committee convention is this week in Chicago. That might be newsworthy and impact the markets a little bit. And also on Wednesday, the minutes from the last Fed meeting. I'm not sure how important these things are anymore, the release of the minutes, because of the way they do the press conference after the decision in the meeting that particular day. But we get the minutes today from the last meeting. I'm sorry, on Wednesday. The big news, I think, though, is going to be Jerome Powell's speech on Friday from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. I think I mentioned last week that it was going to be the following week, but it's this Friday. So a lot of focus will be on that for signals on what is going to happen on interest rate cuts. Looks like there's going to be one in the beginning of September at the next meeting, and then we'll see. And Powell's speech will be closely watched for any other signals or guidance as to what's going to happen. This morning, I saw a headline on Bloomberg saying traders need Fed's rate cut signal to keep stocks rallying. So that points to the importance of what the stock market and financial markets are given the Federal Reserve's interest rate cuts. So I think that the rally from the sell-off, which was targeted towards the yen carry trade unwind, but I also think there was some earnings disappointments and guidance, lower guidance, that also helped the pressure the stock market lower and bonds to rise. And I think there's a combination of things there that but it also again points towards the how critical interest rate cuts are for the future. I'm not sure that it's going to necessarily be the solution to the problems, but that again the importance of what's going to happen at the Friday speech by Powell, as well as the interest rate cut in September. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk on Wednesday. Thank you again. Goodbye.